Today, we are going to talk about how to clean data in Excel and import it into SPSS. For this tutorial, I have prepared the following sample data. From the sample data, we can see that our variable name starts in the second row. So let's delete the first row by clicking right-click and delete. Next, we notice that missing values are written as NA. If numerical variables have missing values written as characters like NA, SPSS will later consider these variables as categorical instead of numerical. So press Ctrl H, type NA in the first box, and press Replace All. Now all missing values are blank as intended, and we can save this Excel file. If you want to save it as a CSV file, click Save As and change the format to CSV before saving. Now let's move on to importing data into SPSS. SPSS has various tabs that can be helpful. You will most likely to use the Analyze tab for tasks like regression or generalized linear models. To import data, click the File tab, go to Import Data, and select Excel sheet. Search for your file directory and press Open. Then SPSS will give you a preview of your data. Check the options if needed, and make sure to review your data, including missing values, before importing. If everything looks good, you can press the OK button. If you have multiple sheets, ensure you select the correct one. Now you can see the imported data. Each icon next to a variable name indicates the type of variable. Click Variable View to change the measures. Nominal stands for just simple categorical variables. Ordinal means categorical variables with an order. Scale just means quantitative variables. From our sample data, ID will be nominal, age will be scale, gender will be nominal, and income will be scale. For the education level, even though it is automatically categorized as nominal, it is gonna be ordinal since higher values indicate higher education levels. Satisfaction also will be ordinal because higher values indicate higher satisfaction. Next, you need to assign the correct labels to each value if your categorical variables, nominal and ordinal, are written as numbers. Click the corresponding values tabs and then click the three dots and press plus key. For example, for gender, 1 will be male, 2 will be female, and 3 will be other. Make sure to press the spelling button to double check and repeat this process for the rest of the categorical variables.